Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. We are a classic car, motorcycle, and four-wheel drive restoration and fabrication shop located at 3206 Main Street, Suite 103 in Rowlett, Texas. I just wanted to put together this video with some pictures of the build, walkthrough of it, of a 1971 Cuda Resto Mod restoration that we completed at the shop. Now this car was completely disassembled, and then we installed the body on a rotisserie, shipped it out for media blast. When it came back, we applied DP90 epoxy over the entire car. Then moving on to the body, we replaced the roof, the left and right quarter panels, floor sections, a complete trunk, taillight panel, trunk filler, and we repaired any rust or collision damage that the car had previously. On the rear quarters and front fenders, we deleted the marker lights for a nice clean look. We shaved the front and rear bumper bolts for a smooth bumpers, and then we color keyed the front and rear bumpers as well as the grille with the body color. We installed a vinyl top, sent all of the stainless and trim out to have it refinished. Then we reinstalled those. And the interior, the trunk area, and also the complete undercarriage was Raptor lined, and that was color keyed with the body color. Moving on to the taillight panel, the shaker, and the wing, we had wrapped in carbon fiber and installed, and the factory billboard was replicated in carbon fiber also and then applied. We're an exclusive PPG shop, so we applied a PPG base coat and then 2 coats of PPG 2021 clear. And then by hand, we flattened all of that out with 1000 grit wet or dry. Then we applied 3 more coats of 2021 clear, and we really flattened that out with 1000 grit. Then we moved to 1500 grit, then 2000 grit, and then 2500 grit wet or dry, all by hand with soap and water, for a very, very smooth finish so that we could really bring out the shine and give the clear coat depth and a lot of body and richness. And we polished all of that out with 3M 4-step system. The first step is using the compound. We went around the car twice, buffed it, and then we used a glaze pad with glaze twice. And then we moved on to a micro finish glaze, and we did that twice to the car also, finishing out all of the polishing with hand glaze. Turned out really beautiful. The car is really, really stunning in person. If you enjoyed the video, hey, please like and subscribe to our channel. We've been putting other videos on if you want to check out our content. They're all auto related, some do-it-yourself stuff, cars that have been in the shop that we've worked on, and just in general work that we completed at our shop. We're going to be putting more and more in our content, and we appreciate your guys' support. So please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching the video.